Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Friday the 7th of February, and today was another interesting day in the markets. We had a large gap up here, pretty much some choppiness, and then the market finally started moving higher after a little while. Today we had 3 trades and pulled 5 3/4 points out of the markets. First trade, we did grab a short over here, which we did take profit in on this way down, and then market came back up and then came down. We did get long over here, which we did take quick profits in, and then we saw the market starting to stabilize, so we did get long again and took profits into this move here, and then the market just started moving higher after that. And sometimes that happens, and I guess it's a great example to show that we got out of the market here and then the market just took off. And sometimes that happens, and it's how you react to that that really does define you as a trader. Whenever you take a stop out, whenever you take profit and the market continues going in your favor, that's what really does define you as a trader. Because are you going to be worried about what you didn't make, or are you going to be worried about what you did make? And that's really what I want to talk about today. Because a professional trader, as long as it's a good setup and they take a stop out, it's a good trade. And you're not going to pick the top and the bottom every time. You're not going to get long one tick from the lows and then get out one tick from the highs here. That's very, very improbable that you're going to do that on a consistent basis. So you're going to get in the market and out of the market somewhere in the middle. And we want as traders to take as much of that portion as possible. But sometimes it's going to happen like this, where we get out here and then the market comes down and then just takes off, and all that profit that we did not make. And I'm totally okay with that, because I was able to make a little bit of money, and I obviously read the market a little bit wrong and it took off. And yeah, I would like to have that, but I'm okay with not having it. And that's really what you need, as a trader, is you need to set your mindset like that, to where you're going to get in a trade, you're going to exit a trade, and whatever happens afterwards, it's just the market moving. You're not in a trade, it doesn't matter, and then you can jump in if you get another setup or something. But just because the market's running after I got out of the trade, I'm not going to enter just because of that. It has to show me a good setup, which it didn't do. It just kept going, and I'm okay with watching it run. I've sat there and watched the market move 20 points without being in a trade, and then after that I'm able to find a setup and get in. But I'm perfectly okay with that, and that's one thing that as a trader you have to have the correct mindset to be okay with that, to be able to watch the market and not jump in just for the sake of jumping in. Jump in only when you objectively see something that you like. So anyway, hopefully that makes sense. You got something out of what I talked about. You can always leave comments below the video. You can also email me directly, support@businesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.